These new NotebookLM tricks are insane. NotebookLM just changed everything. Google dropped a massive update, and most people have no idea what it can do now. We're talking AI-generated videos, auto-built slide decks, deep research that writes itself, all from files you already have, no extra tools, no complicated setup, just drag your stuff in, type a prompt, and watch it work. And I've been testing this all week, and some of these outputs genuinely shocked me. Students are using it to turn lecture notes into full study videos, business owners are turning company documents into training content in minutes, and marketers are getting a full month of content ideas from a single PDF. I'm going to walk you through every trick, every prompt, and every use case, and I'm going to show you real examples using the AI Profit Boardroom so you can see exactly how this works in the real world. Not theory, not fluff, real stuff you can use today. Stay with me, because the trick I show you at the halfway point is the one that's going to save you the most time every single week. You're trying first. All right. NotebookLM, you've heard of it. You've probably played with it a little. But what Google just dropped changes what this tool actually is. This isn't just a note-taking app anymore. This is a full content engine, research machine, video builder, slide creator, all wrapped into one tool that works entirely from your own files. And that last part is the key. Unlike regular AI tools, NotebookLM doesn't pull from random internet sources and guess. It reads what you give it and builds from that. So every output is grounded in your actual content. That's why it's so accurate. That's why it's so useful. What just changed? The 2025-2026 updates. Let's talk about what's new, because these updates are the reason we're making this video. Google upgraded NotebookLM to run on Gemini 3.1 Pro. That's their most advanced reasoning model right now. It thinks more deeply, it organizes better, it catches things older versions missed. You'll feel the difference the first time you ask it a complex question, and it just gets it. No back and forth, no having to rephrase, just a sharp, structured answer. The second update is video overviews. This is the one that got me. You upload your content, and NotebookLM builds a narrated video walkthrough with visuals, with structure, automatically. You don't record anything, you don't edit anything, you type a prompt, and the video comes out the other side. I'll show you exactly what prompt to use in a minute. Third update is deep research. NotebookLM can now go out and find high-quality sources from across the web, pull them in, and synthesize them into your notebook automatically. So instead of spending hours reading and compiling research, you describe what you need, and it builds the research for you. And fourth, slide decks. NotebookLM now builds full presentations from your content, and you can edit individual slides just by typing what you want changed. No PowerPoint, no Canva, just a prompt. Quick pause here because this is important. Go check it out and come back. Because I've got the best tricks still to come. Trick one, video overviews. All right, let's get into it. Video overviews first, because this is the one that changes the game for anyone creating content or running a business. Here's exactly how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. I upload our full community guide, the document that explains what the boardroom is, who it's for, what members get, and how AI automation actually works inside a business. Then I type this prompt: generate a 90-second explainer video on the AI Profit Boardroom, what it is, who it's for, and why AI automation helps business owners save time and work more efficiently. NotebookLM reads the document, builds a structured script, narrates it, and adds visuals. Done. Now I have an onboarding video for new members, or a short promo clip, or a training overview for the team, all without touching a camera, all without recording a single second. That's the kind of leverage that changes how you operate. Next one, slide decks. This is massive for anyone doing training, pitching, or presenting anything. Here's the AI Profit Boardroom example. I upload our AI automation playbook, the guide we give to new members that walks them through how to start automating their business with AI tools. Then I type, produce a slide deck titled How AI Automation Saves You 10 Hours a Week for Business Owners Who Are Brand New to AI. NotebookLM builds the full deck, every slide, every headline, every bullet point automatically. And then I can say, make slide 3 simpler, add a real example, use plain language, and it edits it right there. No redesigning, no reformatting, one prompt and it's done. If you've ever spent a full afternoon building a presentation, you know exactly why this matters. This one is genuinely wild once you see it work. Deep research lets NotebookLM go and find sources online, pull them in, and synthesize everything into a clean, structured output. Here's the prompt I'd use for the AI Profit Boardroom. Deep research the top 10 AI automation trends for small business owners in 2025 and export the key insights to Google Sheets. It goes out, finds quality sources, reads them, pulls the most useful insights, and puts them somewhere you can actually use them. Now I've got a research report, a content brief, and a strategy document, all from one prompt in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This one replaces hours of work every single week. Here's a hidden feature that most people skip right past. You can tell NotebookLM to act as a specific role while it works through your content: a strategist, a coach, a consultant, an analyst, and it actually changes how it responds. For the AI Profit Boardroom, I'd upload our member engagement report and type, "Act as a strategic AI consultant. Review this report and give me the top 5 actions to grow the community and increase member engagement." It doesn't just summarize the document, it thinks from the perspective of someone who's actually trying to solve the problem. It gives you recommendations, priorities, specific next steps. This is like having a smart advisor available anytime you need one. This one is for anyone with a team. If you got onboarding documents, process guides, company handbooks, NotebookLM can turn all of it into training content without you spending days on it. Here's what I do with the AI Profit Boardroom. I upload our onboarding guide, our community rules, and our member journey document. Then I type, "Turn these documents into a training video outline for new team members joining the AI Profit Boardroom support team." Out comes a full video outline, sections, talking points, everything a new hire needs to get up to speed. You could record it in one take or use the video overview feature to generate it automatically. Either way, the heavy lifting is done. Here's the big picture before we close out. Most people spend enormous amounts of time on research, on slides, on training docs, on content. NotebookLM cuts all of that down significantly. And because it works from your files, not random internet content, everything it builds is relevant, accurate, and actually useful. This isn't AI that makes stuff up and sounds confident. This is AI that reads what you give it and turns it into something you can use. That's a very different thing. And that difference is exactly why this tool is worth your time. 2 things before you go. First, the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where entrepreneurs and business owners come to learn AI automation in a practical, no fluff way.